I was gifted a pop-up canopy. It comes in this bag with wheels, so it's super easy to transport. It also has handles on top if you are so inclined. And I love that the zipper is from the top all the way to the bottom. Now let's see what we have in the bag and let's put this up. You get sandbags, you get the canopy, you get some cords and some pins to put that in the ground, a really easy to use guide, and then this is the base. Okay, step one is you're going to pull this apart about halfway and then put the canopy on top. On the sides, you attach the canopy with the Velcro, and then before you push it the whole way up, you attach with the Velcro straps the sides. Then you're going to shimmy under and press this up. Then this locks into place. Be very careful that you don't get your fingers stuck in here. You want to hold on the outside and push that up. Okay, once you have the canopy on, then you are going to secure it with the Velcro and then raise the legs. It is adjustable, and so you're going to press here and then the poles can go higher. Perfection. This was very easy to put up. You can see on the outside, this is white and you have a little bit of the silver on the inside, which is going to give you that UVA and UVB protection. We secured it along here so that the canopy is going to stay on. You have the metal frame, which is absolutely amazing. And this is where you adjust it. You could see that we just have one hole out, but I could easily push this in and make this go higher. And then it is the pin system that it just stays into place. Loving this canopy. It is built to last. It has 210D premium Oxford fabric, rust resistant alloy frame, and it has 98% UV protection. So portable, so easy to install with that one push. 2 people are a bonus if you have 2 people to put this up. And it's so easy to take down and to store as well. You have the 3 different height levels. This thing is a game changer. Definitely check this one out.